In the safari, animals roam free. Lions, deer, and elephants we see. Through the jungle they wander all day, playing and laughing along the way. Hear the lion roar loud and strong, deer run fast, all the herd along. Elephant flaps ears big and wide, under the trees they all hide. Zebra stripes black and white, in the sunshine they look so bright. Little monkeys jump from tree to tree, swinging and playing so happily. Giraffe's neck is tall and long, reaching the leaves with a munching song. Little children watch with glee, safari's wonders for all to see. Hippo in water splashes around, making big waves without a sound. Crocodile waits with eyes so sly, watching the river as boats go by. Parrots squawk with colors so bright, flying around in the morning light. Flamingos stand on one leg so tall, waving their wings, having a ball. Softly hide and seek. Peacocks spread feathers shining so grand, showing their beauty across the land. Elephants trumpet calling their friends, in the safari the fun never ends. At sunset the sky glows red and gold, stories of the safari are happily told. Animals rest cuddled and tight, dreaming of adventures in the sun.